Did he just shoot the ceiling fan? Did he just shoot the ceiling fan? Did he... Are you trying to shoot Capcan or Shaquille O'Neal? There is not a single R6 player that is that tall. Not one. I didn't even think Shaquille O'Neal is that tall. Oh my fucking God. Who said good aim? Who said good aim? Who just said good aim? Perfect aim. You are horrible. You are absolutely horrible. You are terrible. Wow. Blade, I want you to never play this game again. I didn't know you were chill like that. W selfie. This guy definitely gets ass. W selfie. I didn't know you were... Can I send a what? Oh my God, I got comm banned. No. No, not like this, please. No, did I get commed? I got comm banned, boys. Okay, never mind. Blade, I didn't know you were chill like that.